Welcome to Aeres at 𝐀𝐞𝐫. This majestic township is developed by 𝐀𝐞𝐫, located at Setia Alam, and today I'm delighted to present to you the largest garden home corner lot unit in this area. The land area is 4,843 square feet and the build-up is 3,000 square feet. The house has 4 rooms and 4 bathrooms. Let's check out this property. The house is fully furnished with built-in cabinets in every section, and the quality of finishing is remarkable. And as you can see, the owner has invested quite a sum of money on interior renovations. The side-patio kitchen and the dining area has been extended, creating an ample space for your family when they dine in. And not to forget, the maid room has been extended as well. Thank you for joining us on this captivating property tour at Aeres 𝐀𝐞𝐫. Give me a call and I look forward to show you this beautiful house.